Hi my Craving Crochet family, it's Teresa with another tutorial. I just made this gorgeous scarf which I'm going to give away as a Christmas gift, and I had it, the reason why I had in mind to do this tutorial, I love it, it's gorgeous, it's for my wonderful friend Karina. Karina, you can do this. This is easy. She says she struggles. She says she doesn't know if she could ever crochet, but I'm telling you, Karina, if you follow this tutorial, you will do it, honey, and you'll be so proud, and you'll make this gorgeous scarf, and you will love it, and I know you can do it. I believe in you, Karina. Come on, girl. You can do it. Stay tuned for the tutorial. Thanks.
Let me show you something.
Hi everyone, it's Teresa with Craving Crochet, back with another tutorial. What I want to make is a scarf, and this is a very easy tutorial for my good friend Karina, who says that she needs to learn, and she's wanting to learn, but she doesn't think she can do it. So this one is for you, Karina. This is very easy to do. An excellent beginner project. I actually found this pattern online. It's not my own. I found it on a blog called crochetforyoublog.com, and it's called the Crochet Easy Ribbed Scarf. It's an excellent beginner project. And I am using Bernat Premium Tweeds. It is a medium 4 weight yarn. I'm going to be using a 5mm hook, which is suggested on the yarn as well. What is this color called? Let's see, it's called Rainbow Tweed. It's really pretty. It's got all these little speckles. This is going to be a gift for a friend of mine who I'm going to give this away to for a gift, holiday gift. And where is the end of the yarn? Here it is. So we start out, first thing we need to do according to this pattern is make, it says chain, where are we here? Chain 176 plus 1. So we're going to chain 177 chains to start. So make your slip knot. And how I make a slip knot, I just put it on my finger. Karina, pay attention so you can learn. It's very easy. You just put it around your finger twice, and then I just grab the yarn, the first loop that I made, and I put it like that, holding on with my thumb, grab the other side, and then pull it up, and there is your slip knot. Very easy. Just practice. It's not difficult, and practice makes perfect. So I'm going to just start off with a few chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and I will be back when I reach 176 plus 1, which is 177. So I'll meet you back at 177 chains. Okay, I have the foundation chain made, and this should be, I guess, the width of the, or the length of the scarf. And what I forgot to say when I first was starting, I was thinking this might be a helpful thing for somebody that's new, like my friend Karina. So what I did was I added, let me take these off, I can't see. I just put in a safety pin, which I'm using as a stitch marker in the very first chain that I made. So I know that I have to go all the way across till I reach that chain and finish in that chain. And so that might be a helpful way to keep you on track, because it's a little confusing when you're first learning. Anyways, So row 1, it says single crochet in second chain from hook, single crochet in each stitch across, and then you should have 176 stitches. So to do that, to make a single crochet in second chain from hook, you never look at this one on your hook. This is the first one, this is the second one. So to make a single crochet, you just insert your hook in that first, or in that second chain from the hook, and then you put some yarn on top of the hook. You pull it through so that there's 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through 2 loops. That's a single crochet. Then you go into the next chain and repeat. So you put your hook into that other chain that you're working in. You yarn over, pull up the loop. So now you have 2 loops on your hook. You yarn over and pull through both loops. That's 2 single crochets. I'll do a couple more. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull through that loop, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So we've made about 3 single crochets so far, and we have to continue all the way across, all the way till you reach the stitch marker. And when I reach the stitch marker, I will rejoin you with the next set of instructions. Okay, I finished the first row of single crochets all the way across. I really like the way this looks. Speckles of yarn, it's really pretty. And actually I'm just on the very last one where I have the stitch marker, so let me take that out and make my last single crochet in this row. If I can get it in there. The right spot. Let's see. Yeah, right in there. Oops. Single crochet. There. That's the last one of this row. And then what we need to do, it says row 2, working in back loops only, BLO is the short form for it. So anyways, let's just turn, get the stitch marker out of the way, turn the work, get your yarn organized, and grab your working yarn. Okay, and it says to chain 1 and then working in the back loops only. So you see it's got like a little V in here. That's a front loop, that's a back loop, that's a front loop, that's a back loop, all the way through, all the way along the row. So the back loop is not the front loop, which is this one, but this one, which is the back loop. So you insert your hook in the back loop and just do it the same way. Yarn over, pull through 2, go into the next back loop only, and this is what's going to cause the ridge look. So it's going to look like it's knitted. And again, through the back loop, pull through, and you're going to see as you carry on this way that it's going to make a really cute little ridge look, like this. So it looks like it's knitted, which is a really nice looking pattern. And you don't need to knit it, you can just crochet it. Again, through the back loop, pull through. You can see the little ridge forming over here. And just carry on all the way to the end again, and I will meet you back at the end of that row. Okay, I finished row 2, and I've made the last single crochet in the last space through the back loop only. And now we have to repeat from rows 3 to 18, so the next 15 rows you have to repeat what we just did. So all you do is you turn your work like that and chain 1, and then just keep doing single crochets in the back loop. So normally you would do them in both loops, but you're going to do them in the back loop only, just like we did in the previous row. Let me get my yarn back here. Might be easier to see and to show you how I do this. So not through both, like this. See how there's 2 here? Through the back. Make a single crochet and then go again through the back loop only. And that's it. You just keep doing this for another 15 rows. And or as wide as you like it. I'm gonna see how wide it looks when I get to the end of 15 rows, or the end of row 18, because we're on row 3 now. And just see how it does that pretty ridge. It's gonna make a beautiful ridge throughout the scarf, and it looks like a knit look, which is very nice. I think it's so pretty. It's very easy. And I don't think it should take too long to do this. I think it's so pretty. So I will meet you back at the end of row 18. So we do 15 more rows. Or I might do a little bit more if I feel like it's not wide enough. Okay? We'll meet you back. Alright. So I made more rows than I said I was going to make in the previous clip of this. I think I made, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, about 26 rows. And I think it's more than what the pattern said because I'm using a smaller hook, possibly. And I started making the tassels. I have 1 left, which I decided to leave so I can show you how I made that tassel, or what do you call it? Not tassel. There's another word, fringe. That's it. Couldn't think of it. And so this is all the yarn I have left, so I think I did pretty good with that one skein. So how I make this tassel is I'm going to use this cute little book to help me. The Tale of Timmy Tiptoes by Beatrice Potter. This is one of my kids' books. It's an oldie. I'm just going to use it as a measuring guide. So what I do, let's see if I can get this on camera. So I'm going to put the yarn like so, and then I'm going to wrap it 4 times around the book. So 1, 2, 3, actually that's 4. Can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And then you just trim this little piece of yarn off. So you kind of hold it. That's gonna get loose. Where'd my scissors go? Okay, I'm gonna grab my scissors and trim about, it could be a little bit longer. Put the scissors down and hopefully I can do this correctly to show you how I do this. I did this with so many of them. Whoops! Just flipped over. So let me just pull it off the book. If you guys have a better method of doing this, go ahead and use your better method, but it's okay. I mean, if you just take your time and just do one at a time. Obviously, you have to do them one at a time. And then you just put your hook, actually no, it's been a long day. So this is the last one, so I'm just gonna thread it through here, and then put it on your hook, and then just gently try and grab all those pieces of yarn, and then remove the hook, widen it so you can get your thumb and your index finger through, and then you grab the other end, get this thing out of the way, pull it through, and pull it through. And that's how you put make your little fringe or tassel. And hold on, let me grab the loops that need to be cut. So there should be 3. So it makes about 8 pieces of yarn, because I wrapped it around 4 times around the book. So front and back. Try and get this on camera. And so, hold on, let me see if I'm doing this right. One, 2, and 3. Just want to try and see if I can get it on the camera so you can see what I'm doing. There should be 2 loose ones here. Yeah. So there should be 3. Yep. 3 loops. And then just trim it like that. Let me get all this stuff out of the way. And then what you do is just go through. I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to videotape this because it's going to take me too long. And then I'm just going to go through and trim along this side here and on the other side. It's a really pretty scarf. I love this yarn. The colors are beautiful. I hope she likes it. It's for somebody that has been helping me try to get fit. And she's a sweetheart, and I'm going to give this to her as a Christmas gift. So I'm just going to go along and trim all along here. I'm not going to do it on camera until I get nice even pieces. And this is my scarf. It's a beautiful, easy project. It's very, very nice. The color is gorgeous. And that's it. It's done. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your day. Out of all the places that you can go to on YouTube, you choose to come to my channel and watch all my little projects. And you give me support. I really appreciate it. If you would like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you liked it, if you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. Share it out if you think somebody would be interested in it. I have a Facebook group that I'm trying to grow. So I'm going to put it on my Facebook group. It's called Craving Crochet, of course. I'm trying to grow that group. If you want to join, I would love it if you joined. And you can share your projects and patterns and crochet related things on that group. I'd really appreciate it. And like it, share it, comment if you want to leave a comment. I appreciate it. And have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.
Let me show you something.